G'day guys, welcome back. I got this lock from, I think it was Thumper that sent it. It just says, had no tag when I got it. And it's by Bronx Lockpicker 60. So, I'm guessing, yeah, it has to be Bronx Lockpicker. And I might try one of Jason's picks. You'll have to let me know on what type of wood this is, Jason. Yeah, it's a nice looking timber. Ah, jeez, that's quick. It's like I just touched two and it opened. That's an open. I don't even know whether I should upload this. Yeah, it was a pretty easy open. Just try zipping it open. Yeah, just as easy. No, I gotta pick it open again. Bloody hell. Let's just gut it. Make a short bit out of it. Screwdriver. Let's see what Bronx Lockpicker 60 put in there for us. Yeah. Seems like 3 and 5 are already at the shear line. So, yeah, that would explain a lot. Rather nice looking spool key-pin. It's almost like a T-pin. More like a mushroom or a torpedo, but wow, rather heavily serrated. Yep. Looks like a standard and another serrated key-pin. We have threads in 1, 2, 4 and 5, and 3 is stock. Let's see what's up top. Oh, we have a couple of pieces here. Alright, so it's a pin in pin with a spool element. Copper spring. We have a serrated. Where'd that go? Oh, there. Spool pin. Copper spring. Oh, it's a nice looking pin. It's almost like a ball with serrations. Same copper spring. And we have a key pin inverted for a driver. Yeah, it's like a torpedo pin. Yep. And all springs are the same. But a lot of these pins, like the spool and the serrated, didn't even come into effect. Yeah. Still make a fun lock. But yeah, cheers for that one, guys, and take care.